adding to the channel, man. Yeah, it's official, man. We adding that.
You know, poverty is a mindset, right? And if you don't attack it the right way, man, you will end up giving in to it. You gotta stand up and fight for your life and what you believe in. Man, I grew up with holes in my shoes, walking to school every day, and surely didn't have food to eat. And if I can make it with the odds against me, look, you can do the same. I made a promise to myself, and listen, you gotta do the same, to never go back to being poor. Poor in mind, poor in finances, poor in family, poor in your confidence. You gotta know who you are and know you are greatness. There's nothing you can't do. Anything is possible. Not one person connected to you will ever lack for anything. You gotta put that in the atmosphere with the plan, your faith, and your perseverance. And man, look, you'll be successful, my friend. That's a promise.
Yo, it's your main man, Evapors, back with another vlog. If it's the first time to the channel, please subscribe, man. We love y'all, man. Hey, cut all the music off. We about to hit these streets, man. We're in the Lexus GX 460, also known as the Space Shuttle. You dig? Y'all see the Space Shuttle? It's going down. We about to hit these streets, man. And I'm still in the loaner car, man. I did get a new loaner car on yesterday. We're hitting week 12 with the BMW i8 being in the shop. That's enough for that update. Take a look. But right now, we about to go check out my friend's G-Moss fried ribs, man. Fried ribs, yeah. All official, man. We about to go grab some of that right here in the good city of Spring Lake, man, and get our grub on. And I want to talk Monte Carlo, man. I'm about to pick up a Monte Carlo. Yeah. I'm about to add a Monte Carlo to the garage, man. Yeah. All facts, man. Hey, we working on it, baby. We working on it. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that, man. But I'm gonna go out here and do some drone work too. Y'all know I got a consulting firm. And, you know, you got to have multiple streams of income. Good Lord, you got to have multiple streams of income. Shout out to my main man, Demonology 638, you dig? So we're going to go out here and do some drone work and, you know, just make sure that the company is represented the right way on social media and all that good stuff, man. So let's get it. We out here at the food rodeo, man. I ain't even know it was a food rodeo. I thought it was just gonna be my people out here selling. Let me get my mask on. You know how we do. We gotta have the mask on deck. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go check out some of the cars. I got my daughter with me, so we're gonna do the whole little family thing, man. We're gonna get this drone up in the sky, get a little bit of action. Check out some of the drone footage, baby. You know how we get it.
All right, man, so look, we're headed home. We got the food. Y'all see we got the drone footage already nice and tight, man. And I'm just excited. I was just talking to my homeboy about this Monte Carlo that I'm buying, man. And we adding to the channel, man. Yeah, it's official, man. We adding that 86 Monte Carlo. So pretty much, you know, I got to do the paperwork and, you know, a couple other things I got to do. But yeah, we doing that, man. We're gonna get this 86 Monte Carlo. And we're gonna do some things with it, man. So I'm excited. You know, hopefully you're excited for me and to come along this journey, man. And, you know, I love the i8. And, you know, obviously it's still in the shop, 12 weeks in. But we're going to have some fun with this Monte Carlo. And if you see me at the red light, holler at me. You know what I mean? But that's all I got for this vlog, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And just keep rocking with your boy Evapors, man. A lot of great things are coming. Like I said, besides the Monte Carlo, just, you know, family-wise and business-wise, a lot of great things are happening, man. So y'all keep the faith, man. Keep believing. And it's your man, Evapors. Y'all know what we do around here. We swipe up.